friends, welcome to another video. Today we were going to be doing some sounds and we're going to do some sorry. Yoda likes to come and get in the full screen and doesn't like to share. Yoda. Anyways, we're going to do some sounds and we're going to do some sound spellings. And my friend Yoda is going to join us today because he's super excited and he has things he likes to say. You know what his favorite thing to say is? Listen carefully. He loves to say different things. Oh, yeah. Like when we do a 1 second party. All right, Yoda, you're going to come over there and he's going to help us sometimes when we are doing our sounds. All right. Let's look over here. Remember those? Those are our stopped and quick sounds, so we say them quickly and fast. I'm going to switch to my pencil. Let's use red today. All right. So you're going to practice saying sounds. When I point to the letter with my pencil, you're going to say the sound in your head. When I touch underneath the letter, you'll say the sound out loud as long as I keep my pencil there. All right, darlings, are you ready? Yoda, ready? Yoda's ready? All right, we're ready to do this. Here we go. I'm going to do the first row, and then you're going to do that first row by yourself. So, my turn sound v. My turn sound x. My turn sound ah. My turn sound f. Right? Ready? Your turn sound. 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 Good job. All right. My turn. Sound. X. My turn. Sound. Sound. V. Sound. B. Your turn. Ready? By yourself. Sound. 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 Good job. All right. My turn again. I'm going to do all four. My turn sound. X. Your turn. Sound. 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 Guys, 1 second party.
Oh, yeah!
Thank you, Yoda. All right. My turn. Sound x. Sound d. Sound ah. Sound v. Your turn. Sound. 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 Good job, friends. Another 1 second party.
Oh, yeah!
Here we go. We're going to go on to next page. And our next page is going to be continuous blending, okay? It's where we take that first letter and we blend it to the next one, and we blend it to the next sound, and it makes a word. You guys have been doing really good at this, okay? So when you practice the blending, you're going to say the sounds, and when I point to the letter, you're going to blend it and don't stop between the sounds, okay? Here we go. Get my pencil. Okay, I'm going to do the first word. We're going to blend it. I'm going to say the word, and then you're going to blend it. and say the word. Okay? So my turn first. Blend. I'm going to blend first. Fox. Word fox. Now, it's your turn. Blend. Word. Good job. My turn to blend. Ox. Word ox. Your turn. Blend. Word. Job. My turn to blend. Box. Word. Box. Your turn. Blend. Word. My turn to blend. Vet. Word. Vet. Your turn. Blend. Oop. Teacher mistake. Say, you're still cool. Thank you. Your turn. Blend. Word. Good job. My turn to blend. Fix. Word. Fix. Your turn. Blend. Word. My turn to blend. Mad. Word. Mad. Your turn. Blend. Word. Sure. My turn to blend. Six. Word. Six. Your turn. Blend. Word. My turn to blend. Mix. Word. Mix. Your turn. Blend. Word. Good job. Did you guys say fox, ox, box, vet, fix, mad, six, mix? If you did, 1 second party.
Oh, yeah!
Thank you. All right, guys. Thanks for coming again. Yoda wants to say bye. And thank you, Yoda, for helping us with our oh yes. All right, friends. I will see you next week when we do more videos, okay? All right. See you later.